My name is Satish. My roll number is 234G180328. I am from Mechanical Engineering from SRIT. My topic is a presentation of parameter passing call by reference by using example. Introduction of call by reference parameter passing. Call by reference is a parameter passing technique in programming languages. It allows to a function to modify the value of variable passing as a parameter. Call by reference is achieved by passing the memory address of the variable. Basics of call by reference parameter passing. In calling by reference, the formal parameter is an for the actual parameter. Any changes made up to the formal parameter inside the function affect the actual parameter. Call by reference is useful when you want to modify the values of variable in the calling function. Examples. Let's consider an example similar to understand call by the reference. We have function called swap and swaps the value of two variables. Will passes through the variable by reference to swap function. Code example swap function. The swap function takes to integrate parameter by reference. It issues a temporary variable to store the value of first parameter. The value of first parameter is the updated with the value of the second parameter. Code example main function. In the main function, we dedicate two integral variable a and b. We analyzed the with different values, let say 10 to 20. We call the swap function passing the address of a and b. Code example output. After calling the swap function, the values a and b are swapped. The value of a becomes 20 and values of b becomes 10. Your third yet. Advantages of call by reference. Call by reference allows us to modify the value of variable in the calling function. If you say memory, as we don't need to create a copy of variable. It is efficient for long data structures, or we avoid the of copying. Disadvantages of call by reference. Call by reference can lead to understand modification if not used carefully. It makes the code less as becomes harder to track the changes mode. It may introduce if the programmer forgets the variable is passed by reference. Consumption. Call by reference of useful technique for the modify values of variable in a function. It allows you to avoid creating unnecessary copies or long data structure. However, if should be used with creations for prevent understand modification of questions and answers. Thank you for attention. Now let open the floor for the questions you may have. Your second bullet, your third bullet. Thank you.